I'm one of those kids that was always drawing, always like the most creative in school, that kind of thing. And in 1992, I started tattooing. I've been tattooing ever since, and I'm formally trained as a biomedical illustrator. So I like precision and technical and science and things like that. The most divine is when I nail what I'm trying to accomplish, because I really like realism, and I really like catching that moment in time where even though it's a still image, you can almost perceive what's coming next. To me, that's a successful piece. My most powerful is when I'm illustrating. That's what I love to do most. And tattooing is an extension of that, and having my work living on somebody and being a part of their life forever, whether they like it or not, is very powerful to me. Nature mostly, the contours of nature and things like that. I mean, I used to work at General Motors as a technical illustrator, which is very linear and precise, but I like the organic shapes of nature and the movement that creates, so that's what I try to bring into everything.